Hi, my name is Zach Carter. I am a hairstylist, and lifting weights is my biggest hobby besides doing hair. And I've been experiencing shoulder pain for a good 4 years. I noticed it about 7 years ago. It didn't hurt, but I noticed something was off my shoulder. And in the last 2 years, my shoulder has gotten significantly worse. In the last year, way worse. Driving with my right arm, almost impossible. Tight, tension, pain, fire, all that bad stuff. Doing hair, painful, shoulders up all day. Going to the gym, painful. Everything that involved my right shoulder, of lifting of any kind at certain long periods of time, really painful. Starting to get to the point where I was starting to contemplate how long I could have my career for, how long I could have my hobby for. And that's depressing, because when it's something you really love and to feel it taken away and having no control, that's really depressing. So I started coming here for nutrition with Helena and started finding out that I had a lot of thyroid issues, a lot of colon issues, all that stuff. And then that progressed to chiropractic, and I've been in my chiropractic care for almost 2 weeks now. Today I had my 5th adjustment, and my shoulder in 2 weeks has had such progress. My right arm, I can drive on my steering wheel without it being tight. It does not ache, it does not burn. It is getting so much better than it was 2 weeks ago. Lifting weights, the control I can see in my shoulder is profound. I'm shocked, because I didn't know something could occur so rapidly in such a short amount of time. So I would tell you, if you're waiting to come here, if you got problems, don't wait anymore, because you can get fixed and it can help your mental health so much more.